Happiness is a butterfly, try to catch it like every night. It escapes from my hands into moonlight. Every day is a lullaby, hum it on the phone like every night. Sing it for my babies on the tour life. If he's a serial killer, then what's the worst that can happen to a girl who's already hurt? I'm already hurt. If he's as bad as they say, then I guess I'm cursed. Looking into his eyes, I think he's already hurt. He's already hurt. I said, don't be a jerk, don't call me a taxi, sitting in your sweat.